Hello, everybody. It's Alex Shevchenko here, and as always, at this time on Fridays, we are hosting Friday Alpha Leaks sessions, which is a live stream during which we are sharing with all of you the updates from the Aurora ecosystem. Welcome here to the YouTube or Twitter X, and hopefully you are having a fun time. We do have quite a number of updates today, so without further ado, let's dive into them. Please ask your questions in Twitter or in YouTube, so I would be able to answer them in the end of the stream. Reminding everybody, next week is the big event for the whole crypto world in general, and specifically for the Ethereum ecosystem. This year, in the first weeks of July, as always, there will be an Ethereum community conference. However, this year it is going to happen in Brussels. So we invite everybody to come there and join us on multiple different events. Not only ETHCC is coming to Brussels, but also a set of the side events that are organized by our partners and also by ourselves. So we invite you to join ECC, and you will be able to find me on the Warcraft stage presenting the updates about bridge abstraction and forwarder and things like that. So if in case you're following Aurora, you already know about forwarder, but there I will be able to share a little bit more information. And also there will be a separate event that is called Chain Abstraction event that is organized by Near. And there I'm going to talk a little bit about a new project that is coming into the wider Near ecosystem that is developed by us. However, there will be not only myself there, together with me, Yorgo, you will be able to find the big team of different guys coming from the Aurora Labs, just so you are able to meet all of these people, including Armand and Declan, together with Nick and Andrew. Continuing, our big friends at Pitch Talk are launching the Near Demo Day that is going to happen on 19th of July. And usually they are inviting myself to be a judge for this demo day. So let's see how things are going to happen there. There are quite a lot of interesting participants there that I know of. But in case you're interested in general to listen to new projects, to their pitches, to their ideas, that's a great place where you would be able to find this information. In accordance with the Aurora Token Economy 2.0, there is yet another burn of Aurora tokens that was performed. Now, just to reminding everyone, the fees that are collected by the Aurora smart contract in accordance with the way how Near protocol is working, these fees are collected in Near tokens. The Aurora tokens are bought back from the market with these Near tokens, and then these tokens are burned. The actual transaction of burning is happening on Ethereum, so there is no future risks of the bridge, of the Rainbow Bridge potentially. So you are able to see all of these transactions happen. Continuing, we're happy to. We already did it last month, but this month also is something that we're going to continue in this, and we see that there is a lot of traction. Lots of people are actually pretty happy about these condensed written updates. And we have two of these updates. One is engineering focused, another one is pretty general. So these are the condensed things that happened in June. And if you're a techie, if it is interesting for you to figure out what is happening in Aurora, I invite you to go to the aurora.dev/blog, and you are able to see some different things there, including this June update. There are quite a lot of things that were released and put in production in June, and even more of the things are behind the scenes, and I'm usually not highlighting all of these developments, but you're able to read many of these. I would like to just present you some of these things. Aurora team is working on two big projects for the wider NEAR ecosystem, and these projects are going to benefit Aurora too. One is the solution that is called Web3 wallet support project. This solution is going to enable the MetaMask users and other Wallet Connect wallets users to connect directly to NEAR protocol. So we are working on this. We anticipate the project to be launched in the third quarter of this year, and we actually did a demo of the solution to the small focus group in the beginning. And then later on, you're going to know a little bit more about this thing. And another thing is the RPC Speedup project. This is in general the project that is targeting the end-to-end latency of the transactions on NEAR, and obviously this is going to improve the latency of the Aurora transactions, which would result into both NEAR and Aurora networks becoming much more interactive, which is great. We are working on projects with the Secret Network. We have also released Aurora Cloud Data Oracle. Rainbow Bridge team has released a support of bridging of NEAR native tokens and EP141s to Ethereum. So now anyone who has developed and launched their token on NEAR first, now they're able to move this token to Ethereum, and this token then can be traded on the Ethereum blockchain. This is a great development. Besides that, for the engine or the core Aurora smart contract, we have been working and we've developed the full CanCon support, which is important for the developers who are working inside of the Ethereum ecosystem, which means that the Aurora now is fully compatible with the latest version of the EVM that is there. We have fixed all of the tests from the testing suite that is usually used. So we are pretty sure that the solution is robust, though we are continuing investigations, we're continuing security checks, and we plan to deploy the new version with the CanCon support to the mainnet a little bit later in August. We're continuing a pretty lengthy project. Again, this is not something that you see, but lengthy projects of the Aurora and ETH connector split. These two pieces were kind of intermingled, and this is going to improve the robustness of both Rainbow Bridge and Aurora itself. We also have been working on the Bitcoin Lite client development. So we already have Ethereum Lite clients deployed, and it enables the Rainbow Bridge. And we have been working on Bitcoin Lite client development, which in turn can, and I do believe that it will, be foundational to the release of the bridge, fully trustless bridge with Bitcoin. So that's a great thing. The core technology that is required for this now is developed, and it needs to be there needs to be some additional security checks and security audits around it, but the core technology is there. There are quite a lot of other things that you're able to find here. Some very detailed information about controller contracts, different research initiatives, the ideas around the continuation of the forwarder that was launched, additional monitoring, testing, and lots of great things here. So if you're a techie, if you really would like to know the deepest details of what is happening, but you don't want to search all of hundreds of repos on GitHub where all of these different things are happening, you're able to follow these monthly recaps, engineering recaps from Aurora. Share with us your opinion, whether this is convenient, whether you like this type of content shared with you. We really would like to see your feedback. And for those of you who are not techies and more focused on the ordinary updates, what was happening in a more condensed format, obviously there are also such an updates. So during the month of June, there were quite a lot of things happening within the Aurora ecosystem. So there was an additional solution that was launched, the Data Oracle, together in conjunction with Pith Network. So we are super happy that this cooperation was taking place. We really developed a solution really quick. We've launched it, and I believe everybody now are able to use Data Oracle on any of the Aurora virtual chains. So that's super, super cool. Aurora Cloud Bridge widget was also added to the virtual chains, and that's also super great. This technology was initially kind of available to everybody, but the fact that right now even non-developer is able to configure their widget in just several clicks, in just entering some data directly into the Aurora Cloud Console front end, and then copy paste the code and just put it on the website is just a great thing. The Aurora token, the Ethereum side of the Aurora token, was listed on Bybit, and there were quite a lot of different marketing promotions and marketing campaigns around it. So if this is interesting for you, you can follow. And I think that some of these programs might be still lasting. And there was a collaboration together with Tokenomia Pro. These are the guys now, our new partners who are taking care of the token economy designs, and we're glad to go in the collaboration with them. Aurora Pass was listed on Magic Square, and all this has all happened all because of the Aurora community. Thanks to all of you guys for voting for this edition. We have been presented on a number of conferences, London Tech Week, then we were in Munich on the energy conference. We are going to come to Brussels next week. Yeah, collaboration with Secret that I was already mentioning. We've got some marketing activities with Hot Wallet and so on. There are quite a lot of different things. And oh yeah, and by the way, office hours. So invite everybody to join our office hours here. So as you can see, there are lots of different things that are happening, and this is only within 1 month, which is only 4 weeks. So again, hopefully you see all of these updates, and this is a interesting new type or new format for consuming these updates. Share your opinions, whether you like it or not, and we will try to fine tune these updates so it is in the best condition for you. And I didn't have these two tabs here, but probably somebody opened this. What is this? Founders, when they hear that launching a virtual chain comes with free validators, on-ramps, and a team of Aurora blockchain expert Oompa Loompas to help customize their pre-configured chain. I don't know whether you know what it is about, but the guy looks really fit. And an additional thing, there is a future of blockchain analysis here. Tron Mainnet is now live together with our new platform where project token simulations are already to be viewed. That's a great thing. So Tokenomia, or this is not Tokenomia. T-Pro, this is Tokenomia. That's interesting that Tokenomia is launching their T-Pro network. It's nice that Aurora is reposting this. And oh my God, I even like this. Okay. Let's see what is going to happen. With that, I'm going to switch here, and unfortunately, you're seeing this. Okay, now you see only me. Let me check what are the questions here in the chat. Yeah, Yeah, Slava, the DevRel from Aurora is commenting that we need to also to separate NEP 141 from Aurora contract before the CanCon release, so each connector split could happen first. This is one of the reasons of CanCon release postponed to August. Yeah, these release, as I say, they're obviously intermingled, so need to make sure that we're not doing the same job 2 times. Okay, so it seems like these are all of the comments. Thanks everybody for participating. I see that today we've got to 150 people. Yeah, Chuan is saying, why no liquidity pool on Aurora? I'm not sure. There are quite a lot of different different pools that are available on Aurora, on the biggest decentralized exchanges on Aurora. So one exchange is Trisolaris. There are quite a lot of different pools. Aurora token pool. There is USDC, USDC.E, USDT, USDT.E. There are pools for near, for staked near, for many tokens, for Origami, PLY token, and others. So you can go and take a look there. I believe there are quite a lot of different things, and it's not only Trisolaris, right? So we have also Polaris, we have some other decentralized exchanges. So yeah. Okay, and there are some additionals. Thanks for asking these questions, but please remember that there is a little bit of a delay in between when I see the questions and when you are asking them. And because of this, if you want me to answer your questions, please ask them a little bit earlier. JJ is asking the question, how's general outlook for Aurora going towards the end of the year? JJ, I think everything is good. So actually, you're able to find me in not a very typical place, and the reason for this is because the top management of Aurora Labs has gathered together, and we were discussing the next things for us, and we were planning for some things. There are lots of great things coming forward, and we just tagged together. Yes, today market is very bad, and maybe and I just wish and I hope that everybody are sane and not doing bad decisions. But in general, we are looking really strong. We do like our current vision of the virtual chains. We see that that it makes sense to many participants in the market, to highly educated individuals. We just continue building and delivering different things. So absolutely great. And as you can see from the June updates, both technical and non-technical, there are lots of things that delivered. We're just continuing and moving forward. Okay, Slava was indeed just saying now that there are Trisolaris Origami Stargate 1 inch that aggregates everything. So yeah, there are quite a lot of different things. Okay, cool. So thanks everybody for joining this call and this stream. I hope that this additional information was useful for you. And as always, we are going to see each other in exactly 1 week from now on the next Friday Alpha League session. And maybe we will be able to see each other even before in Brussels. Take care.